Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add educations on your Facebook profile. So here I'm already on the Facebook app, and then let's head to your profile. Click on your photo at the top right corner, tap on your name, and after this you can just click on this edit profile button. Okay, now you can scroll down again and you'll see under the details there will be this educations option, so just tap on that, and here is the education section. If you want to, you can add high school and also college. You can just click on one of this, and for example I'm going to add high school. You can just type in the high school name. For example, I'm going to just choose one. For example, you can just type in your school's name, for example like this, and then here you can choose the class year. You can add the class year in here, choose your class, click on OK, and choose the visibility, whether you want to the informations to go public so anyone on Facebook can see it, or only your friends, or only you can just choose. For example, I'm going to set it only me. You can just click on save after that, and the educations will be added to your profile. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.